Lewis Lucy Ronald go Glasgow City aice seo, agus inniu cain aice am farnach ro ball like a cassin.
At the start, it was more kind of, my brother played, so it was difficult for me to get into a team. So really, I just went with my mum to his training. No matter the space available, I'd have a ball at my feet, and I'd always be kicking a ball. But I don't think I joined a team until I was maybe 9 years old. I joined a boys' team, and I didn't last long there just due to his training getting in the way of mine. So I joined Glasgow City when I was 10. So I think we kind of got to the stage where we were like, right, I think maybe finding a girls' team would be ideal. And really, none of us knew much about women's football. It wasn't obviously my brother played, so we literally had no idea. And I can't remember how. I think my mum found that Glasgow City were the best team and thought, well, we might as well give it a go. And yeah, that's where it all started.
Chluich Lucy trna jefa rhain ag City agus bhain a skipper ag an skipper leisach I cúteach. Chorta hula minute the gumor.
I absolutely loved my time at Glasgow City. You know, I've met some of my best friends for life there, and I was there for such a long time. It was eight years by the end, and I absolutely loved it. You know, I think it's just a great club with a great reputation, and it was something I loved being a part of. And then getting the captain's armband towards the end of my Glasgow City career, it was such a massive honour, and I loved captaining the girls. You know, we really became quite a lot of the girls. You know, there was players that I'd played with since I started that we were still in the development team, and I think there was something really special about that. And I think we all felt, you know, we all knew each other so well as players and as people, and I think that's why we were so successful when it got to the development level as well.
Lewis Lucy go skipper Glasgow an ban, paraideach I eniamachach mar skipper a club. Úlach éidir hín a bhuanach I mar chluicheadair.
Yeah, it was amazing. I wasn't expecting it. Obviously, Craig had moved, and then I'd went sort of with him, and he'd said to me that he would like me to be the captain of Glasgow Women as well. And I was very surprised because obviously I was still one of the younger sort of players. But I feel like I kind of took it in my stride a wee bit, and I feel like it's been good to also captain in that environment where there was more senior players as well, and kind of learning in that environment as the captain was really good. And I was so grateful to Craig that he had that belief in me to go on and take that role in this new team. You know, you've got a huge responsibility on your shoulders of being the sort of leader of the team, and I think that's something that only developed me in confidence on and off the pitch. I think player and person, it's been really good, and yeah, I've managed to grow in the sort of role in the team.
Ystawr chud Lucy eniam di cúnat ag Hibs, a chai ag Glasgow an ban aice, gus tuliach leisach a gain.
Yeah, I'm so excited, so grateful for the opportunity that Dean's given me, and I've still got that where I can get game time under my belt this season. And I think it was really, towards the end of last season, it was really the best option for me. It was kind of the best of both worlds. I'm going into the Hibs environment where, again, top players to go and learn from. I think, again, as I said, this, likewise to Glasgow City, it's something you can't really buy it to go and play with these top players. And it was kind of the step that I needed. I felt like I needed that step in my career towards playing at the top level, and I think it was sort of getting the best of both worlds. You know, get to go and train with them once a week and learn from them, and also get used to the environment as well. And then I'm still getting to play every week with Glasgow Women and my teammates as well. So yeah, it was really the best option for me.
A skipping an ban ag ALBA, tógal a horsta ina bheith ball-coise an ban, agus haid misnach a horsta chluicheadair an áca, a léit Lucy.
Yeah, I think it's amazing. I think the sort of difference from the World Cup, I think there was such a buzz around that, and it was amazing. I think since then there's been really a massive progression in Scottish women's football, and I think it can only be a good thing going forward. And it's great to see these players playing at a world stage. And you know, I remember being at Hampden for one of the qualifying games, and it was amazing. You know, the crowd was amazing, and I think that's something that's really important for young girls to be able to go and see and think, you know, look where I can get to, because quite a lot of these these players will be playing at their clubs as well, you know, and I think it's great to see what you can achieve if you put your mind to it.
Sé dríoch mar chluicheadair ball-coise proifeiseanta in ceann uile ag chlúsaí.
I think future goals, you know, I would love to make it as a professional football player. I think, especially now where you can see like the likes of Rangers and Celtic going professional, where you can see that it's here in Scotland now that those opportunities are there, obviously if you work hard enough. And I think for a long time football for me was seen very much as an enjoyment, a passion. You know, I didn't really see myself taking it, but recently it's more been, no, you know, I don't want to get to an age and regret not pushing myself to go there. So I think now my ambition is to go as far as I can in the game and see where I can go with it.